Again, the second video for today. Today we're going to make sweet, how to say, dipping sauce for sour mango. In Thai we call Nam Pla Waan. Yeah, Nam Pla Waan is the sugar. We use coconut sugar today. The ingredient not much, like you can see here. Okay, fish sauce, small red chili, about 10 pieces. If you like a hotter, you can add more. Dry shrimp, what? Coconut sugar, shallot, dry roast chili. Okay, then now we start to cook. Because my saliva coming out when I see a sour mango. Okay, first we put a little bit of water first in the wok. And palm sugar 300 gram, not palm sugar, coconut sugar. Yeah, 300 gram. Right, you stir till this one melt. I put the water because the coconut sugar can melt very easy. This is okay. But this sauce you can keep quite long, 1 month, 2 months. Only medium heat. Okay, now sugar melt, and then put fish sauce. You can use any brand. 5 tablespoons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you carry on stir it until the sauce becomes thick. But it won't take long, the sauce becomes thick. Iจะโชว์แมงโก้ไง
อะไรนะ
I จะโชว์แมงโก้ after this.
This one is like rojak sauce, huh?
Rojak they put shrimp paste. But some version they put shrimp paste, but I don't put mint.
You can get like that in Thailand as well.
Rojak.
No, like in Malaysia, yeah.
Yeah.
When they do the rojak, they just give you the bag.
Yeah.
They put a lot of fruit in there, and then they put the sauce just put on top inside the bag, and they just
no,
give you a stick, and you just.
In Thailand they don't do like that. They put separate.
Oh, look. Look. No, this one is like you snack when you're walking around.
Some they put shrimp paste. If you like, you can put shrimp paste. Okay, now this one get thicker, right? And then we put dry shrimp, but don't forget to wash dry shrimp. 100 gram, 100 gram of the dry shrimp. Don't forget to wash this one. Here. And then banana shallot. I just put slide 2 pieces. Put in here. Let me taste. I add a little one more of this one because not salty enough. I can show.
Yeah.
Okay, when I taste it not salty enough, I add 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. You can see like this thick, and when it's cool down and get more thicker, they become thicker. Okay, and then the chili, sliced chili. And then roast dry chili. And that's it for the sauce. Ready, you have to peel the mango, ready to eat. Okay. Yeah, and then that's it. What's it?
But you just peel it.
The gum, sometimes the gum come out. Okay. Beautiful. Look like เปรี้ยว I have to taste with apple. Yeah, the mango is too sour until my hair stand. Nice with the apple and mango. Oh. That's why we need the sauce. But this one a little bit watering. Yeah, when they get cold, it's thicker. If not thick enough, maybe after your video I do a little bit more.